Hi, this is Nancy from Nancy's Garden Soap Co. And tonight I'm going to be using a Sun and Sand fragrance oil to make a soap in this mold, in a flat mold. And here I have a mixture of my oils: coconut, tallow, palm oil, castor, and a little bit of olive. And I'll be adding my lye, which has tussa silk and some sea salt in it. And I've been letting it cool. I'm going to be adding some goat's milk, reconstituted goat's milk powder in a little bit. And it's the first time I'm working with this Sun and Sand fragrance oil. My new toy, 118 degrees, that's good. Alright, let's go ahead and add the fragrance oil next. This stuff smells a little bit like suntan lotion, a copper tone. Alright, that's thickening up nicely. See how we're doing temperature wise. 120. This is my goat's milk. Can you see this? Goat's milk. It's 2 tablespoons reconstituted in some water. Add that in. Oh, it smells good. And now I'm going to try to work quickly. So I can get everything into the mold. I have a light blue and a dark blue. That one's the dark blue. This is the light blue. And we'll swirl it with a little bit of white. This is a luster blue mica. I need to get down to the bottom. Good. Now I'll do the same thing with this one. A little cross contamination there is not going to do it. Make a big difference. The color wise, that is. Alright, I think I'm going to add more white to this. Oh, it's getting thick, folks. It's time to pour. Look at that. Super thick. No surprise there. Okay, so it's misbehaving a little bit and getting really thick, so I'm going to do an in the pot swirl and then pour. So here's my pot. You can see I have some in here. So I'm going to take this, plop it in, slide this over, put some in the other side. You just never know with new fragrance oils how they're going to behave. And yes, adding goat's milk is a little bit risky because it does accelerate, make things heat up. I think we'll be all right. Okay. Quick stir. And I'm going to pour. There it is. Let me see if I can tap some more. And I'm not doing anything else to it. I'm leaving that as is. I'm going to stick it in the fridge so it cools off. Okay? Okay, and I have a little bit left that I'm going to try getting into these molds right here. This stuff's gotten thick, but I'm going to pour them into this mold and try to make some more. I put the other one in the freezer actually, with a towel underneath, and now I'm just finishing up here. Just in the pot swirl. Sometimes you have to do that when you have a soap that starts accelerating. But I tried planning out this one so it was pretty simple. And I just needed to get the 3 colors in there, and that was it. And that's what I did. Alright. Tap this down a little bit. And then we'll smooth it out. Sometimes it's messy. So I'm going to stick this one in the fridge too. After I get it all cleaned up. And I'm not sure when I'm going to unmold it. If I'm going to pull it out tomorrow or if I'll just wait a little bit longer. Alright, I got to finish cleaning this up. You don't need to watch all that. There we go, that's a lot better. I'm going to tap it down one more time. It's the first time I'm using this mold. I'm not sure how fussy it is about getting all the air pockets out. Seems like there might be a lot. I just saw another one come up. Alright, a little clean up. It smells really good. It smells like the beach. Alright, see you mañana. Well, we're back, and I took the soap out of the mold, and after I had it in the freezer overnight, it came out really easily, and it looks really great. Really really nice solid piece, and the waves or the swirls that are in it look like the ocean to me. So I'm quite happy with it. I don't know that I'll be cutting it on tape, on video, because it was in the freezer and it's quite, it's still frozen. This has a little bit of soda ash on it, but I think these are adorable. And anyway, I think it was frozen overnight, so I'm going to wait and cut it off camera. But I think you can get the idea of what the bars are going to look like by looking at the edges here. So thanks for viewing, and subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button. Thanks.